Hey everyone, and welcome back to the idiom's origin. Have you ever formed an opinion about someone just based on how they look? That's what we call judging a book by its cover. Open book, it's a phrase about unfair assumptions. But what's its simple, cautionary, literary origin? Let's turn the page and find out. Meaning and origin. First, let's look at the meaning. To judge a book by its cover means to form an opinion or judgment about someone or something based only on its outward appearance or superficial characteristics, often overlooking its true quality or nature. The origin of this phrase is wonderfully literal and recent, coming directly from the world of publishing. The publisher's dilemma. The phrase gained popularity in the mid-20th century. Publishers know that an attractive cover is essential to draw a buyer's eye and make them pick up the book. However, the quality of the cover has no bearing on the quality of the story or the information inside the book. Early literary use. While the wisdom is ancient, similar concepts exist in proverbs dating back centuries. The exact phrase as we use it today appeared in an American publication in the mid-1940s. It became a powerful, easily understood metaphor for social prejudice. That judging a person by their clothing, accent, or style is just as foolish as deciding a book is boring before reading the first chapter. This idiom powerfully advocates for looking beyond the surface and valuing substance over mere appearance. Modern usage and examples. Today, we use to judge a book by its cover in many different contexts. Don't judge a book by its cover. The oldest house in the neighborhood has the most beautiful garden. When the new student showed up in ripped jeans, the teacher almost ignored him. But she quickly learned not to judge a book by its cover. He was the smartest kid in class. The restaurant looks quite simple, but their food is amazing, proving you shouldn't judge a book by its cover. Conclusion. So, the next time you form a quick opinion based only on looks, remember this cautionary idiom. It's a simple, profound phrase that reminds us. True value is always found inside. That's it for this episode of the idiom's origin. What other rural or simple idioms are you curious about? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more fascinating linguistic journeys.